What's up you guys? My name is Jency V. Welcome back. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to curl your hair step by step, easy way, all of that. I have been asked so many times how I curl my hair, how I keep it healthy. It's super simple, and I have some few tips for you guys, so you need to keep watching till the end of this video. If you have not done it yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see more of my hair tips and makeup tips. Check out my channel up here. This is my first hair video for this year, so I want to know if you guys want to see more of this, so press that like button down below if you do enjoy this video and see the value in this video. Without further ado, let's get into the video. There's few things before we start as to what to look for before we start curling our hair. One, it doesn't matter what kind of brand of curling iron you have, as long as your curling iron has the highest heat of 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Some people would tell you that that's too high or whatever. From what I have learned, that the less time your hair is in a curling iron is the healthier your hair will stay. The reason why it has to be on the highest heat is because it curls faster. It's gonna be on your curling iron for a less amount of time, and that's what you want. Two, so the next one is, and also before you curl your hair, you want to get your hair ready. You need to have like a heat protection spray for your hair before you start curling it, so it protects the layers of it. When you're washing it and stuff, you just want to have shampoo. Don't put conditioner on it, because when you have conditioner on it, it's not gonna curl. It's not gonna curl. Just the shampoo, no conditioner. The bigger the size of your curling iron, the bigger your curls will be. If you want really big curls, big bouncy curls, you could still have a smaller curling iron if you wanted to. I'll show you guys that in a little bit. For the size of my hair, I've always been using the 32. This is what I have. And it has a clamp on it. Let's get ready. So I already sprayed my hair a heat protection, and I also did not put conditioner on my hair today when I showered. Make sure your hair is dry, it's not wet. You need to make sure it's completely dry. Okay, this is actually off for now. I'm gonna show you how I do my hair on each side because it's a little, tricky. So you want to hold your curling iron vertically like this, not like this. Okay, vertically. You want to section your hair. So you want to section it in two. So I usually divide it into right side, this right side, and my left side. Depends on the mirroring of this camera. You want all your hair to be right here in front of you, because you don't want to miss any of those hair. You don't want one single hair all straight in the back, you didn't even see it. Curl it right away, just the way it is, like this. If you want, you can, if it's easier for you, you can always grab a hair tie. You can actually concentrate on each area of your hair, but I'm not going to today because that's not how I usually do it. Anyway, from the very top, some people would just curl their hair like this. They'll section it like this, and then they start curling, and then they go another one like this. They go another one like this. I don't do that. So what I do, I grab some section, I go this way, like that, and I curl like this. And then the second part, I curl again like this. And then the third area, I curl the same way, just like that, going to the back, from the front to the back. Once I pass my ears, down to my ears, that's when I start curling it from this way, just grabbing every section. you want your hair to be away from your face. From this camera, this is my left side, so I grab it like this. And when I do my clamp, I clamp it from the very top. I usually start from the top and then do it like this. Usually my clamp is at the top when I'm doing my left side. And then if I'm doing my right side, my clamp like this is on the bottom. So you can start like this so it doesn't confuse you. So like this, and then away. And then at the top, and then away. I mean, it takes a few practices, but you can do it. Anyway, let's go back. I'm a clamp from the top, the very top of my curling iron. I usually just rotate it. I start to loosen up the clamp little by little and then start twisting it. And if you can still see, your hair should be away from your face, going this way. Make sure you keep doing it until it curls. Like, it doesn't have to be perfect, you guys. Make sure just do it as fast as you can. Like I said, it has to be only 4 seconds. So once you have all your hair, the end of your hair on your curling iron, that's when you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you let go. As you can see, this is not on, so I'm just showing you how I do it, and I'll show you the whole thing later on. So you're gonna do that, like I said, you section it 1, 2, 3, going this way, and then you can section it this way, 1, 2, 3, once you get to the bottom. And at the very end, that's when you can comb it out with your fingers. I'm gonna show you right now. So the top 3 layers that I did earlier, I combed it all out, and now I don't know if you can tell, but like it's a lot easier for you to have this huge curl going this way, just because you sectioned it out this like this instead of this way. Just use your hairspray. I use Big Sexy Hair. That's my favorite hairspray. So I'm gonna show you real quick. So you're gonna section it the way you were doing it earlier. Actually, you're gonna section it this way this time. So you're gonna go around circles, and you're gonna tease it. So you're basically, instead of combing this way, you're combing down from the back. And then you're gonna hairspray that, and then you're gonna do another section from the back, and then you're gonna tease it. And also you can just do this as well to your hair. Tease it. Just do that like that. You can tease your hair like this to make it have more volume. That's how I volumize my hair, and I hope this was very helpful for you guys. If you guys want to see more hairstyles for this year, comment down below or like this video, so I know that you guys actually enjoy this video and want some more hairstyle videos. If you have not done it yet, subscribe to my channel to support my channel, and of course, knowing that you guys actually enjoy this channel, my video, and you want to see more of my videos, like I said, smash that like button down below, and of course press the notification bell down below to get notified for my next upcoming videos. And I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Mwah.